be a point of cultural and social interaction, where authors and poets hold court, and where we as readers can finally meet that invisible author. Today we have gathered here for the book launch of Nick of Time by Komal Mehta. Gracing this occasion are our guests, Mr. Anupam Kher, an actor par excellence who really doesn't need any further introduction. Director and screenwriter Ken Ghosh. And actress Aditi Rao Haidari. We thank you for taking time out and being here with us today. We would also like to thank Penguin for making this event possible. Nick of Time is a romantic comedy that seeks to make you believe that even in today's world, love does actually exist. Set in Chandigarh and displaying a contemporary touch, it is written for the youth and is a lot about finding what is in your heart and following it to wherever it might lead you. Komal Mehta has been working in the movie marketing field. Her overactive imagination has led her to her first novel. Let's watch a little screening of the video first. The book, please.
Okay.
Mr. Kher, may I please request you, what are your first thoughts about the book?
Well, I think my first thought is about the author, because a friend of mine, Sarwar, who brought Komal to my office and she said, I have written this book. I think what I discovered after going through the book, that Komal represents all the three characters in the book. She has some side of all the three people that are in the book, Alia, Vicky and Shagun. And I think it's wonderful to be able to put down your thoughts in such a vivacious, such a naughty, such a real manner for today's youth, which I'm sure she's done very well. It's something which I'm sure will be picked up by some producer or some director, and you may find some actress. The only thing is, in this book, the father doesn't have a very important role. Unless she decides to give me Vikram's role. But there is a great possibility of a very good script here in this book. And I congratulate Komal for writing it and Penguin for publishing the book. Komal keeps constantly prompting me. She thinks I'm going to stop talking, so she will say, every time I'm saying a sentence, she's completing it in my mind. So Komal, just relax. I have spoken on earlier things also. Don't worry. And to be able to pen down, I recently wrote a book, and to be able to pen down your thoughts is a great feeling. And I think to be able to do them so brightly, it's as bright a book as Komal's jacket is today. So I wish her great luck, and I am sure this book is going to do very well for Penguin and for you and for lots of people. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kher. Ken, are we good as Mr. Kher being the male lead in the film?
Yeah, absolutely. Mr. Kher is, I'm sure, exactly like Vicky, and he can also be like Shagun. Yeah, he's that good an actor. Um, uh, Being a writer also of films, I have tremendous amount of respect for people who can write. And if you can write well, it's even better. The cover of the book says that I say that this reads like a film, and that is so true. You actually feel like you're reading a script, or if you can let your imagination wander as you read this book, it's like a film unfolding, and a great read, very real, very identifiable. I would like to, later talk to Komal about who she is in this. Are you Alea or are you Shagun? So that, of course, is for later.
Like Mr. Kher said, a bit of all the three.
So your best friend married?
Oh no!
No, Acha. Okay, no, okay, like that.
My best friend is in the crowd, over here, and I'm glad to say she got married in Feb, and I really did not do any mischief.
Is her husband in the crowd?
Ah.
Nancy, hi. Oh, that's my best friend. That is Shagun.
Hi, Shagun. How are you? Okay, keep.
Nan, I did. Please, verify that I was up to no mischief at your wedding at all.
Not that you know of, but okay.
Ken, you've read the book inside out. What are your thoughts on the book?
Well, like I said, it seriously, it reads like a script. Very rarely do you get a script, which you can say, yes, just translate this onto film. Okay, I have ADD. It's a attention deficiency problem. So I have a huge problem reading scripts. Scripts have to be read to me. So, and despite that, I finished this book like really fast, and that says a lot about the way it's written. Thank you.